You need.
All right.
All right, we have
Come on, man, don't do that.
He told me, I said, you about to get the rest of your hair done? And he said, nope.
Who in the world?
Let me rub it.
Good jumping jack, right? Come on, man, baby.
Mm.
Big. Big.
Wow. Yeah, I don't know.
How about you get a spoon? Yeah, for your cream. You want a spoon for your cream? Huh? No, you gonna use your finger? It's yours. You want a drink?
Where you at, Mike?
I'm right here, bro.
You know you the host, huh?
No, I ain't.
Yes, you is.
No, I'm not.
No, you the host.
I ain't the host.
Oh, this man the host. We waiting on you, Supreme. You made Supreme the host, dog.
Why you did that?
Mike did that shit.
Bro, I can't. I don't have no control over that.
I'm on the phone, so I don't know how to pass that shit.
Oh Lord.
Host tools. Oh
Oh,
Lord.
How the fuck this man became the host? How you can't reclaim the host?
Boy.
Oh, here we go. No. Chill out. I got it.
That's man, yeah, man.
That nigga
Man,
just,
yeah.
that nigga made me the host and left and we made breakfast and shit. Wait.
But I thought, I was like, I don't see no chart up. What the going on?
Hold on.
All right, here we go.
Yeah, you good. We took care of it.
Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. All right. So as you can see, I already marked my chart up. So I'm gonna go to the monthly first because we got like what 2 more trading days. Got like 2 more trading days left in this month, right? So I'm still expecting us to close this month red dog. Red dog. Right. So this is the monthly chart. These these blue boxes are on smaller time frames, lower time frames. So I'm gonna explain that when we get on those time frames. But for the sake of an argument, I believe that from a monthly objective, I believe this is the candle of interest, this red candle right here, this order block at 53.79, I believe that is. So we probably got a good 100 more points to go on the ES. But yeah, this is my area of interest. This monthly order block right here. All right. So it's going down to the
I like
week.
this. Hold on.
Huh?
I don't like that.
You don't like it?
No.
Okay.
No.
You want to say why you don't like it, or you just gonna see?
I don't like that candle touched and turned around.
What this?
Yeah.
Are we gonna get into that?
Okay.
It's on the weekly. It's
You
on the
know,
weekly.
when I'm looking at that, I'm still gonna go off of like we're going candle structure. We got a higher high and a higher low. We ain't touched the bottom. Not to say that next month I just want to see the candle starting to print lower because, like you said, the wick on top of there is definitely giving like it could be
Reversal.
what they call a pinball. Well, I want this candle to be red for me to look for more downside. Let's put it like that.
All right.
This bitch turned green, then I'm thinking
It bitch turned green, bro.
you. All right, we're on the same page. Go ahead.
So look, this is the weekly, right? So this is the gotcha. So we traded into this weekly gap right here.
Mm-hmm.
Let me draw it out so y'all can see it. Boom, weekly gap. Traded into it, got up out of there. See that?
Retraced it.
Gap filled and retraced. Boom. So now this is what you got. But this is the beautiful part about this. We're gonna get into it when we go to the daily. We got a daily order block right here. Well, let me show it to you when we get there. But so weekly, internal, gotta bring it external, right? So what's the external on the weekly?
You got
Should be this high right here,
engulfing.
right?
The first red candle is bearish engulfing 3.
This one?
That's a 2-2-3
Man,
reverse.
shut up, bro. This
Hey, bro,
this nigga.
we don't know who watching. We just want them to know that that's a bearish engulfing candle, right?
Oh, it's a 2-2.
And then you got
It's a 5-6 reversal
and you got
with an upside down backflip. Yeah.
and you got two reds, lower lows. So, like you said, smaller time frames help you see the turnaround before it happened. All right, go.
Exactly.
I got you.
Exactly. So what happened was we dug into this gap, which was internal liquidity. We got to bring it external. I'm assuming external will be this high at 56.29. If this high is if this is going to be the high, 57.22, then it should be protected. So we shouldn't trade no higher than this. Meaning that this gap that I have highlighted right here on the monthly is probably going to be, I'm sorry, on the daily. It's It's gonna probably be your last line of defense. But the reason why we turned around on the weekly, well, not really turned, we still closed the candle red, but it's because this gap that we traded into pulled the liquidity out of it. So I'm assuming that we're gonna attack this high right here and protect this one. Right. So let's go to the daily. And let's talk about it. Now we could get with it. Let's talk about it. All right. So this is what I got on the daily. And this will be my trade going into the week.
Oh shit.
The first trade. This is the first trade I got.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
Hold on right quick.
All right.
Yeah, baby. Go ahead, bro.
All right. So the first trade I got going into the week is us opening lower, trading into this daily order block right here. Right. So I'm banking on this order block taking us to this gap. Taking us to this gap. Right. So we trade into this gap. This gap should take us lower. Now, I'm gonna say this too. We got FOMC this week. We got non-farm payroll this week. We got a lot of red folders this week, like towards the end of the week. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. FOMC is Wednesday. We got non-farm payroll Friday. We got unemployment claims Thursday. So the market is gonna give you a lot of opportunities towards the end of the week. So with that being said, this is what I got going into the week. I'm looking for the ES to open up and trade into this order block and take this order block higher into this gap. So we're gonna take this liquidity external, probably attacking this low first, then maybe go a little lower because we didn't already pull all this liquidity from these gaps already. So I'm expecting these lows to get attacked down here. Maybe even this one, cycle like a Chiwi, but especially this one. I'm expecting lower prices going into the week. Now, FOMC could change that. FOMC Powell could say, hey, look, we ain't raising no rates, whatever. We doing this and doing that.
What
And
day is that?
Wednesday.
Okay.
We ain't raising no rates.
Wednesday is the what? The first of the month?
The first of the month. I think it's the 31st.
Okay.
Yeah. But just speaking from a technical standpoint, this is my setup going into the week. I'm looking for this gap, this order block, this daily order block to be used as support to take the market higher into this gap. And I'm expecting this gap to be used as a catalyst to send the market down, to take this internal liquidity external, right? But that's neither here nor there for right now. Let's go down to the 4 hour right quick so I can show y'all something. Load them up, load them up. All right, boom. Same rules apply. So this is your daily gap. Now, this is the tricky part. I'm gonna draw it out for y'all. I'm gonna show y'all. See this right here? Hold up, this right here. Let me change the color so y'all can see it. See this right here? This is what when I be talking about volume imbalances. This is a volume imbalance. The market is probably going to attack this. So we could probably trade into this gap, put a candle or a wick in here and sell off. Or we could close above this gap, this daily gap, put a green candle here and attack this gap, this daily gap up here. But these are one of those inefficiencies that I be speaking of when I be like volume imbalances outside of like the normal gaps that I speak of. this is one of those volume imbalances. Like you got a candle here, you got a candle here, you got open space here. These candles not touching. You can say it's a gap. You can call it whatever you want, but these candles not touching. So this was when the market opened up last week. Is it? No. Is it? No, can't be, huh? Yeah, it is. When the market opened up last week and we just kept selling. Then come back and check this off. So you got a volume imbalance. I believe it's on a daily too. I believe it's on the daily too. Let me go back and check. Yep. That's it right there. Market got to put a candle there. You got to put price there. Got to balance it all. That's why it's called an imbalance. Got to check this off. Y'all see that? So it's highly likely that if the market wants to sell, it's highly likely that it'll leave a wick here. So like, for instance, the market will trade higher into this gap and it'll leave a green candle and it'll leave a wick up here indicating that it's respecting its volume imbalance, but the wick, leaving a wick here, but the candle will be green. So that means they checked it off. So even though it won't leave per se a green candle, the cover to overlap this, it'll leave a wick with the body of the candle being green, and then the market will reverse and go in the opposite direction. It just needs to clean this up. You need to put price in there. There's no price here. None. This abyss, a space. So it has to put price there. That's why I'm banking on the market trading up to this gap and then going lower. But like I said, Powell could say, hey, look, whatever, send a market to the moon. I don't have no control over that. I'm just speaking on technical standpoint of trading these candles. That's it, bro. So like I said, this is like my objective going into the week, trading to this daily order block that's down here to go higher into this gap. Now you got a 4-hour gap here, and then you have this volume imbalance right here. So you have this 4-hour gap right here that we traded into, but you also have this volume imbalance slightly above the daily gap, which
Right.
could be the area of interest, right?
Can I get the fib on that gap? Okay. That's kind of, I'm
You're looking at
calling that to the left. I'm calling this a level on the 4-hour, right?
right here.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
right. Okay.
Yeah.
To me,
That's
if we,
50%. That's 50% of the daily gap too.
I'm thinking if we don't fill this gap tomorrow, trying to put all the laws of candle behavior in, we don't fill this gap tomorrow, that'll be the third day on this daily gap.
Mm-hmm.
I think the test of it will either be that or just soon as this 4-hour fills, and then we don't get to attack that
Volume imbalance.
yeah until later.
Yeah.
Unless we have news.
Yeah. So
I wouldn't be caught up on it on that news day. You get what I'm saying?
yeah.
But say Tuesday, if that comes out, I think that'll flush it, and then maybe the news will come back and then fill it the following day. You get what I'm saying? That the first of the month,
Okay.
you'll get that fill. That's how I'm looking at it.
Okay. So let's go down to the 1 hour. Let's see if we can sort some stuff out here. Excuse me. So this is what I like about trading, right? So we left. So on the 1 hour, we got this high, and we left this high Friday. So we could call this relative equal highs. And then above above the relative equal highs, you have a 1 hour gap, right? So what's highly likely to happen, just like Winston just said, what's highly likely to happen is we sweep these highs, fill this gap, and flush.
And
Because
that 1 hour conversation look like it's about a 52, huh?
yeah,
Right above it where those candles gathering at,
right, yeah, yeah.
almost 50%.
So this is what so looking at it from this perspective, you got this 1 hour imbalance, which is your gap right here, which is inside of a daily gap. You got relative equal highs right here. So you know that the market attacks highs, right? So you're looking for the market to come take these highs out, trade into this gap that's right above these highs, and then reverse. It's a reason why the market left this daily order block down here. And I'm gonna show y'all like how to piece this together when I'm gonna go to the 5 minute, and I'm gonna show y'all how to piece this together, why this probably will be the catalyst to get us up here. But you have relative equal highs, you have this high, you have this high. Notice how this high was protected, we left it, boom, we traded a little lower, left this order block. Traded back down to this 1 hour consolidation, respected it. See that? We respected it. Friday afternoon, traded higher, closed here. Cool. So we left lows. We left this low, we left this low, we left this low, right? And I'm gonna show it to you on the 5 minute why that's important. But as of now, looking at the 1 hour, got these relative equal highs here, trade right, that's right below this gap. This one, this candle traded into the gap, which is fine. Left these highs here for a reason. So I'm expecting the market to trade here to sweep these highs, reverse, go lower. And let me tell you why. I'm gonna show you why on the 5 minute. This is the 5 minute chart, right? So normally what happens is I'm gonna put a fib on this box. This is my daily order block, right? So if I put a fib on this box, right? 50% of this order block is at 54.61, right? So y'all know these how I go with these boxes. These boxes are my sessions, right? The high and low of each session, the time, from what time to whatever time, right? So 50% of this order block, you could sweep this low in reverse. Now, I'm not saying that it's going to sweep it, but this is consequent encroachment of this order block, 50% of this order block. So 50% of the order block, you sweep this low and reverse. You create a fair value gap to the upside. You take it to the upside. Now, I'm not saying that trading, you sweep this low and reverse in this gap, and it's going to take you all the way to that 1 hour gap or the daily gap that we're speaking of. But this is how you piece your trades together, right? So knowing that we left this order block here for a reason, right? So it should be support. So if we don't bounce at the top of the order block and we trade into this order block, expect it to go to 50%. Expect it to go to 50% of the order block. And what's that 50%? You got this low right here. This is the London run from Friday. The swing low is right here at 54.60 double low. 50% of the order block is at 54.61. That's 5 ticks off. So expect this to get swept. And after this is swept, expect a reversal to the upside on the daily. So you find this trade on the 5 minute, or you can find it on the 1 hour. You might be like, well, I'm gonna wait for a 1 hour gap to get created in the opposite direction. That way I know that, I'm taking this to the upside. Me, I'm looking for a 5 minute gap. I'm looking for a reversal. I'm looking for a sweep, set a new low inside of this order block, reverse here, create a gap to the upside. I'm taking that gap to the upside to whatever high that I see fit, probably my 10 points or more. But this is how you put your 5 minute, you got your 5 minute setup. You got your daily perspective. So my daily is I feel like, hey, look, we're gonna trade into this order block. All right, so I go put my order block. I highlight my order block on my 5-minute chart, and I see how it lines up. I say, oh, okay, the order block lines up with these lows. So even if we trade to 61%, we got this low right here. We reverse. Fair value gap in the opposite direction. I'm taking that gap to the upside. But I expect price to trade back into this order block. This order block should take us higher into this volume imbalance or into that gap that we were speaking of on the 1 hour and the 4 hour. So this is how you could piece your trades together with high time frame reasoning, right? So the high time frame reasoning is this order block. So how you gauge the order block? Okay, consequent encroachment of the order block is 50%, right? So you expect if we were respecting this order block, it should trade no lower than 50%. Now, if we trade through that order block and close beneath it, you know what's up. Expect lower prices. But if we respect the 50% of this order block, then you see, okay, well, it's my low down here. I'm expecting this low to get swept. I'm expecting the market to reverse here. Once you get your reversal, you look for your setup. You take your setup to glory, you close the computer. Sound easy. It really is, but you know, I'm just giving y'all the secret sauce. This is how you piece your trades together. So you don't always have to just like find like the Da Vinci Code of trading. This is really like how you find it. Like when the market gives you a setup like this, the market not gonna always give you a easy setup. This is an easy setup. So when it gives it to you, abuse it. Consequent encroachment, 50%. Your low is at 54.60. Sweep that. Give me that. Sweep this. This is London low. This was the London kill zone from 1 to 4 o'clock in the morning. Sweep this low, reverse. And it don't have to sweep this low. It could sweep this one, or it could just sweep this one and reverse and go. It's going to respect this order block. So if we sweep this low, that's right on top of the order block and trade into it, reverse, and go, same rules apply. But it's respecting the order block. But what I'm saying is it shouldn't go past 50%, right? If we trade through 50% and start creating lower prices, especially on the 1 hour time frame, that we close inside of this order block and close beneath this order block, the next candle close beneath it, expect the market to continue lower. But if we respect it, this is your last line of defense, the 50% range right here. Respect this. It's gonna give you your bounce to your daily gap, which was your 4 hour gap, your 1 hour gap, etc. We did 466. This is another order block here. Should be respected. 54. See, like 54. Even if it trades to the bottom of this 1 hour order block right here, it's still respecting the daily order block. So the daily order block, this should be, you know, gold. But I just want to show y'all like how I find it on a 5-minute. Like this is that you draw it out on the 5. Cause you know the 5-minute is always gonna be my bread and butter. The 5-minute and the 1 hour. Find your consequent encroachment, right? So you already see your lows, your swing low. You got your AM session from 8:30 to 11. The low right here, right under 76%. Sweep that. Or you got the PM session from 12:30 to 3. Got the low right here that's right above the order block. Whatever session it sweeps and reverses, that's what I'm looking for. 50% is your last line of defense. I'm not saying it's gonna come down here, but this is your last line of defense. 50%. Consequent encroachment. That's what you want. That's what you're looking for. That makes sense? Good. All right.
Yes.
Moving on. Hold up right quick. All right, y'all. So
Trend on
I'm sorry, say that again.
her. Trend on her.
Oh man, this dude, bro. This dude. You want the trend line down here?
Yeah. Wow.
That's your trend.
Oh shit, if it go down to your 50, that big on crazy. Okay.
So that's what I'm saying, bro. So you know, however you want to
Tell you
trade it.
this. If we do a 1 hour under here, yeah, under there, and it crack, I'm not
So
saying it's gonna sell from there, but you probably gonna get this whole order block.
whatever it decides to do. So like I was saying, the 50% is your last line of defense. So if you start getting 1 hour candles that's closing below your 50%, you know what's up.
Yeah.
It's you know, it's time to look for trades to the downside. But if not, if we sweep, just like for instance, we open up tonight and consolidate, boom, 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 then we sweep this low and we
Mhm.
touch the order block. Man, look, I'm taking it to the upside, to this high, or
Mhm.
maybe to this high. It really don't matter.
Yeah, out the way.
I'm out the way.
Yeah.
You see what I'm saying? But I wanted to show y'all the 50% because the 50% of the order block is your last line of defense, right? So your last line of defense, if you see, okay, well, we close below this. All right, cool. So now we trade up to this candle and start selling. Change in the state of delivery. So the change in the state of delivery happens when we go from bullish to bearish, meaning we close below the last run to the upside. So this run that created this high, close below this, change in the state of delivery. So the delivery is not bullish no more, it's bearish. So we close below this, expect lower prices, come back and check this and sell off. But I'm expecting us to open up tonight, consolidate, sweep this low, or sweep all the lows, and then reverse and head to the upside. But by us not having no news Monday, it's probably gonna be a slow grind. Or the market could be like, all right, look, let's get in position before FOMC or whatever. So the market could give you some volatility tomorrow. It could give you nice
Yeah,
moves.
just about to say that.
So
I ain't cutting you off. Just about to say that we got Apple and Amazon earnings this week as well before FOMC.
okay, all right. So even with that, bro, just play the technicals, man. This your setup. You know what?
I'm
You
gonna
know what
tell
happens.
y'all, bro. So uh with that coming before after or with uh I wouldn't fuck with no earnings, please. Just because if they waiting on the news to decide if they're gonna run or not, Apple might have good earnings, but not really react how it should based on the earnings report. Same with any other stock that's having earnings this week. So not saying I wouldn't play it, I just wouldn't be as uh I'm gonna jump to a conclusion prematurely. You know what I'm saying? You think it's gonna run $20, it's probably a $20 earnings report, but that bitch might only give you 5 out of that 20. Run in the aftermarket and then you find that bitch being down out of your strike range. So just be careful if you plan earnings. As always.
Man, bro, I'm gonna say this, and I'm gonna say this, dog. We shouldn't still be trading earnings, dog. It's 2024, man. Come on, dog. Come on, man.
I'm saying
Come on, man.
I'm just saying though, bro.
I'm all right. I got you though, but Yeah, so look, so this is like I said, dog. I'm gonna say this, then we could go to the hood.
I ain't a drinker, but I drink, bro.
All right, all right,
That's all I'm saying.
all right. So look, so from a daily perspective, right? From a daily perspective, dog, this is the trade I'm expecting. From here, all right. Trying to get my here. Okay, and then guess what else? Here. Okay, that's what I'm expecting. Okay, now we could, this Zoom has been documented, and we could come back to the Zoom during the week and be like, "Damn, Mike, you was right." And we could come back to the Zoom and be like, "Boy, you dumb as hell." Whatever. But this is what I'm expecting.
I'm gonna do us a solid this week too, bro.
Huh?
I'm gonna do a solid for everybody. I know what they about to see. Soon as we get off, I'm gonna upload it. So we ain't gonna wait no more. We probably like 3-4 weeks behind.
Man, I appreciate that. God damn.
It usually takes somebody asking about it to upload it. I'm gonna, as soon as we get off, I'm gonna put the convert.
So hold up. Let me fix this. Hold up. Let me fix this. Let me see. What the bottom of this candle? Yeah, right here. Fix that. Boom. That's what I'm expecting going into the week. So this is the trade. So order block take us to the gap take us lower. Ping pong. Support, resistance, out of here. That actually look good. Actually look like how it's supposed to look. Yes, sir. Now watch. Now this is what I'm expecting to happen this week. But this was probably this was probably going to happen though.
I see one of the videos on Instagram. That boy drew all that shit on the chart. Ah, got him.
Oh man, but yeah, bro, this is it right here. This
Apple
is what I like.
fucking 40 point. Apple $300.
Oh man,
Boy,
gee,
don't know shit.
Christ. Oh yeah, bro. That's it, dog. That's it. That's all I got for y'all, man. So
You know what's gonna happen too, Mike. That's gonna be the time when Maul be like, I ain't play earners, dog. I thought we weren't fucking with that. Y'all said don't fuck with the earners. I
yeah,
was like,
watch.
how about to get the 300 call? 15 of them bitches.
20 of them. And look what happened.
And look what happened.
I could have got my ZL1. But yeah, bro. But seriously though, on a serious note, this is what I'm expecting, bro. But just to keep in mind that we, like Maul mentioned, we got Amazon and Apple earnings, and we have FOMC. We got non-farm payroll Friday. So non-farm payroll is really, really a market mover, dog. It's almost like FOMC, really. So just be careful on Friday. The news come out at 7:30 in the morning before the market open. Just be careful. For us futures traders, we know to stay out the way at 7:30. But so you have that on Friday, of course. Then you have FOMC again Wednesday afternoon at 1 o'clock. So Wednesday I'm trading the afternoon session because in the morning we probably just gonna be playing ping pong all morning until Powell come on the stand, and then Powell probably gonna give me a nice setup in the afternoon. So I'm gonna trade in the afternoon. So I probably wouldn't even be on the charts until maybe 12:30, 1 o'clock Wednesday. So going into the week again, this is it for me, bro. Right here, boom, boom, boom. That's what I'm expecting. Boom, boom, boom. Maybe not even this far. I don't know. Maybe here. Yeah, that'll be nice. Because if you catch this move to here, oh, that's lovely. But yeah, man. So Winston, you ready to go to the hood, bro?
Let's do it. Let's do it. Ever see the chart?
Mm-hmm.
Palm tree keep you killing. Phil's been doing good. Creative song, brother.
Man. I hate when my daughter put that on.
That's
Come on, daddy, trip out. Come trip out with me, daddy.
I
No, baby.
think I'm on that chapter.
Nah,
I
baby.
gotta finish the song.
Oh, man. Hmm.
He's Spy. So I think ultimately I want to see Spy come down here. Uh, uh, possibly lower. But I've definitely looked like it's about to head back down here. Only thing that's getting me is that we had a gap like right here. On the weekly. Filled it. Same thing on ES. Filled it, got right back out of there. So are we gonna head higher? Gotta wait and see. Touched a good line of support on the field per se, or touch the field line. And then now we just waiting. See if it come back up a little bit more, go down. The daily should have a gap. And we do. Or was that volume imbalance? Correct, Mike?
Yes, sir, Ski.
See if we could get drawn back into this price. You got volume imbalance there, and then you have the actual gap that is a little bit bigger.
Yeah, so it's the same
Which I
setup. Pretty
believe,
much
yeah,
the same setup on Spy. So,
I believe this is gonna get tested though.
mhm.
Some shape form. Now the thing they do have, if y'all remember that line that Mike had on the ES, this one's a little different because we closed above, or we closed back inside this consolidation. Y'all see that? So like seeing 550 for the week, that's not out of the question. It just coming. That's that. And you already got what you needed in this area to kind of see. All right, we could go higher. Now that pullback that Mike talking about, that might be something as simple as going to 542. We're at 544 right now. That pullback or the order block that Mike's speaking of on the ES, that could be as simple as us coming here. This would be this order block then, right, Mike?
Yes, sir. That's it.
Coming to 41 and then going to test 50. We're talking about 10 points that you could be playing for the end of the week, doing like a 550 for the end of the week. but get out. Don't see if it's gonna run more or nothing. Really, if you get in at a good, if you get at 41 and that bitch go to like 48, maybe the top of this candle, what that is, yeah, 48, I get out the way then, even if I had a 550. So that's what I got for SPY. See them all put SPX. Y'all can start calling out the stocks y'all want to look at too, if y'all got anything. Same setup, Maul. I'll do it again.
Yeah, no, that's just the numbers off of coming in that box off of ES 541, 542 for 554, whatever for SPX to grab the
SPX,
calls.
what you had put on the 5260? Sorry.
You see.
Like I said, see the same thing. It's different. See, Mike Line, which it should be, is like up higher as far as like a level standpoint. We closed back inside of here, so definitely could see it come and test this consolidation, which I think is like right there. So you already in here to kind of start heading up. Coming into this area, your actual gap is
All that work.
54.92 to 55.50.
So yeah, so
Yeah.
that would be a great trade on SPX. This is SPX, right?
Yeah,
So it's the same setup.
same setup. No,
So
I'm just saying, you had that line that it kept on. I'm interested in that line that's on ES. Y'all go back and look at the video. It's like a level that Mike got drawn out to get us to gotta get past that level to go into well, yeah, same thing. Because the gap is right above that, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, the daily gap. Yeah, I'm tripping.
Mm-hmm.
But I think we trading under that level. So I don't know if we had like a consolidation on. I'm gonna go back and look at it. I gotta go back and look at it. That's all. But yeah, probably same setup. Get a little pullback on this candle, and then try to go higher and get this external liquidity
Look at that boy talking about that external.
and bring it in. Are y'all good with that? I'm going inside these numbers again. 54.93. If this bitch come back, I don't even want to see this trading that low. I'm thinking more. Just come test this again, 54.47, and then go. And come all the way down here to the bottom on SPX. That Apple. Apple wants to go down. It better have earnings right now. Interesting.
My boy had a note.
Got a small gap right here, but I don't know.
So look.
Maybe we call this the level, huh? What
So
you got?
look, you see this red candle right here? What this does? Yeah, right there. That's an order block. It's market. So Apple traded into that order block. It's respecting that order block. So you can expect higher prices on Apple.
Apple.
Going into earnings. Yeah.
What you thinking like right here?
Yeah.
This is the order block too? Or no?
Yeah. It's a low probability order block, but it's still an order block. So yeah, you can expect higher prices on Apple, dog, depending on how it traded to earnings or what kind of earnings report. No, dog. See, but earnings is like Ernest is 50-50. Ernest could take that and just trade through it and go lower. Be like, all right,
I
look,
was,
I don't like what y'all saying on this earnings report, so we gonna sell down to 200.
yeah. And
Oh,
right now you're in the deal of a pickle because $20 up is 37. $20 down is 97. I mean, yeah, 97 down there. So
yep. Then that's where you want. That's where you
that's
really
what you
want to
really
be.
want to get.
Yeah, that's what you want.
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah.
I
I
wouldn't
say
jump in front of it first. I would just kind of wait.
wait
Like
for
they
yeah.
have the news.
Yep.
Let's say they beat earnings in what's your name? They only go up two, three. For example, Google beat earnings and they were red. They were down $10.
Yeah.
So then you'll just kind of know. So instead of paying it prematurely, like we were saying, just let them
Just
give the
wait.
news out and then
See what it does.
yeah, move accordingly. But
But look, I'm gonna say this.
September, I'm looking for 97, bro.
I'm gonna say this though, bro. I'm gonna keep saying this. The money is rotating out of the Nasdaq. Money is rotating. So all those
Any
names,
high side will be short lived. All
yes.
high side shit is gonna be short lived.
So the money, so all of the stocks that got us this high, Nvidia and ASML and what's the stock? What's that stock, bro? I
Stamp.
can't think of the name of it. Anyway, all those stocks that had the market running, they pulling the money out of those stocks. Like you could expect Nvidia to be trading under $100 pretty soon.
Right.
Nvidia, Tesla, Google, all those stocks that was running for damn near 8-9 months straight. This is the pullback. Expect the pullback. Because if we look at the if we look at NASDAQ chart, it's weak. It's weak, dog. We ain't gotta pull it up, but I'm just saying, take my word for it. It's weak.
So yeah, I like that. I like the seeing Apple at 200 around September. Boom, 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 boom. You coming to 90. Y'all see it.
It's
Been
dog, these
calling it
stocks are
for a while,
weak, bro.
yeah.
They're weak, dog. So you'll be able to get good prices if you want to buy shares. I'm definitely buying shit in Nvidia.
I'm not shorting Nvidia, but they going to 90.
I'm buying them. I'm buying them shares when they get down there. I'm gonna probably buy some Google shares. Maybe even Tesla. But the money rotating out of the Nasdaq, bro, and it's probably going into healthcare. So like so look, I'm glad I said that. So if we even look at a healthcare stock, it's gonna look vastly different from how Nvidia look and how Google look. Watch. I'm just saying, bro. I'm just saying.
Yes.
That's all.
Now look, my shit froze because I spoke on the video too bad. Oh, there we go. Ah,
So look, when
hold on. My bad.
uh,
What'd you say? What'd you say? Man?
look up. So after we do the video, look up UNH. And I want to show you how the
A
difference.
little gap here too. 21. But again, that has to happen. This is a third day. This is a daily chart. Third day. You're looking for this to fail Monday if you're gonna run. If not, I'm only playing Nvidia to I'm taking 117 to the downside. If we can't fill this tomorrow, we trade 117 or maybe this auto block right here, Mike. Like 117, 120. I think at 120 it might feel. I ain't gonna lie to y'all.
Yeah.
But 117 to just continue to the downside if it don't fail tomorrow. You said UNH.
Mm-hmm.
I look at this one on a weekly. Oh, oh yeah, we did. Yeah,
It's bearish, dog.
yeah.
There's no way around it.
Well, you got. I'm gonna tell you. So if you look, hold on. If you do look at this though,
That gap.
it came into this gap and bounced it.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Yeah. Whoa. But this is the bottom of your weekly candle. So we know that we don't like to see gaps. That's not normal movement. You still back at that 116, 117 we was talking about on a smaller time frame to touch the bottom of this candle and then possibly flush to lower prices. And maybe this time you get closure inside this gap because it's pulled liquidity from it.
Right.
If it's not taking it external. But I'm not looking for none of them to run.
No, I don't believe it is. I believe money by the
And
money
90,
is
who said
leaving.
90, 95, bro?
Yeah. That's
Yeah.
I'm looking to buy shares at that price.
UNH, right?
UNA, United Healthcare. See the difference? Do you see the difference? What a
Oh,
difference!
and a bitch broke.
Hey, dog. I'm just saying, bro. Money is moving out of the NASDAQ.
That bitch going slow too.
Man, listen. You even look at
Still we good. Oh my. Oh my.
For me, oh my.
2022, April.
Look,
Nine got out of it, tested it. Yee.
telling you, bro. It looked different, bro. Cause look, so even check this out. So look, so you see these lows down here in the middle of the consolidation. So
Right here.
go to your left, right to your right a little bit. That red candle with that low in the middle.
Right here.
To your left, to your left, to your left. Right to your right in the middle. The
Right
next
here.
candle, very next candle.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, you see that
Uh-huh.
candle? See how we see to the right? We swept that,
Uh-huh.
created a gap,
Okay.
traded back into the gap,
Uh-huh.
all the way to your right. See this gap to your right, dog. Bingo.
This one?
Traded into that, created a gap, reversed, traded back into that gap, and got out of there. It ain't coming back. Money, but money is rotating, dog. Telling you, short the NASDAQ, bro. Short it.
See what we
I don't
can
care
do.
who earnings coming out.
See what we can do something for the people in the back.
Just saying, bro.
Interesting.
Get the deal. Just saying, bro.
What the fuck would that be?
Just
Ain't no
saying.
way. Uh-uh. I ain't buying that. Hold on, y'all. Get one better. Oh my. That. Close above 575, 589. I don't know no pricing on none of this shit though.
But I was just showing you
Talking
like the difference between how
about contract pricing too.
like how the healthcare stocks look as opposed to the stocks on the Nasdaq, like Google and Tesla and Nvidia and all of
Meta.
Meta. Like it's a difference, bro. Money is rotating. It's a big rotation happening right now.
All of them got these little weird
Yeah,
no candle gaps
yeah.
from whether they had earnings or not. From
Meta had earnings already.
no, I think
Oh,
they're in the middle of the week, I believe.
okay. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, bro. I'm just saying though, the Nasdaq is weak. So if the Nasdaq is weak, that means the ES is gonna be weak. But I'm a
Just looking now. They got it in 2 days. It's gonna run. I still like Palantir
what kind of stock is Palantir, bro?
too. What is Palantir? Y'all gonna have to help me with that one. I'm sorry.
That's an AI stock, or they like plan and tell you how you can make your company better, your strengths, your weaknesses. Pretty much an AI stock. They come into your company, tell you where you can save money,
What they do
what your
analytics.
focus need to
Technically,
be.
But it's
Yeah, pretty
the
much.
beautiful part about that is they not in the Nasdaq, bro.
yeah.
They not.
Yeah, they help companies become more efficient. And they've been getting a lot of government contracts. That's what's so sexy about them right now. That's what got a lot of hype around 'em. They've been getting a lot of government contracts, big money contracts, and that's been making other companies want to jump on they job. Microsoft got earnings this week too, huh?
Y'all see what's going on up here, right?
Shorted, dog. Short
I
the
see that
Nasdaq.
cursor right there.
Short the Nasdaq, dog. I'm telling y'all.
And then we go. Let's go Tesla, Nasdaq. Damn, damn.
Lord have mercy. Lord, myself, he know what I want. Miss Polka.
Fuck Tesla. Y'all got me in the deli. They might crack back under here, bro.
Hey, bro, that Trapper wasn't going on a tangent on Twitter for no reason, bro. You gotta listen to the degenerates, dog. The degenerates know.
Hey, bro.
We let you know when evil lurks.
God. Oh, you said MSF.
No,
Oh, they closed back inside. They joined too.
it's it's a common theme, bro.
Microsoft already closed under. They done already gave up. Well, I ain't gonna lie.
It's a common theme, man. Microsoft might give you 357,
I was,
Yeah,
367. I
they
mean.
earnings and I think they earnings Tuesday or Wednesday.
Shorted, dog.
it's gonna be short lit. Like I said, I don't think you're getting another run out of it. I'm not saying they're gonna lose, but y'all be able to gauge it off of just we got earnings. They'll they'll do whatever on the earnings call, but you just won't see that. I don't think you'll still get the run. I mean, we can go to Google.
Let's see what Google got, bro.
They just did theirs.
Oh man,
They
it's
beat
a common thread. All these NASDAQ stocks.
and they beat.
Jeez Louise. Yeah. They pulling their money out the NASDAQ, dog. Lower prices.
So right now, yeah, it just don't matter. Now you
When
might get a test of this. I would like to see this level tested to go down lower. And that's the only thing too, though, is that they hitting some good points, but I think like I don't know how long ago we were saying like you'll get this tested and then it'll look like it's bouncing off of it to just come back the next week, like close lower. So you still got this inefficiency that hasn't been taken care of down here. Oh, thinking 150, Mike? Coming back to where it ran from? Or maybe this order block, 159?
yeah, probably so. But
Somewhere.
you gotta think about it. You gotta think about it in terms of like the NASDAQ as a whole. So if all these stocks in the NASDAQ selling off,
Well, I'm gonna say respect to Apple, Google, Google, and Microsoft. They don't necessarily sell because they don't be running like that neither. Like it could come down to 59 and just be basing. You know what I'm saying? Tesla, they might just go with it. I'm gonna even say Nvidia because of the way it ran. It could just keep on going down and having to check off on those prices. Not saying it's going to 0 or below 90, but will it just instantly bounce off of 90? I don't know. I think we might get us like a nice little consolidation, and then as you know, as more news come out, then they start to run back to the 140. But like for Google, I can't give it a lower drop than 50. So maybe we'll be consolidating down here.
but you gotta think about it on a like the grand scheme of things. So even so this the stocks you named, just not Microsoft, Google, Tesla, Nvidia, Apple, all those stocks are heavy hitters, dog. And if they selling off like that, that's bad news for the NASDAQ as a whole. So even though
But
those
you know
stocks,
what happened if you go underneath this.
but even
That's what
so,
I'm saying.
listen. So even
Clear
if
this chart right
Google sell off $10, right? And let's say Tesla sell off $20, whatever the case may be, the NASDAQ gonna sell off about 400 points itself.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying. If
I
you
agree with that.
So if you pull up, because if you pull up the NASDAQ right now, dog, you can be like, damn, son. Where'd you find this?
All this work. At $20 more. And what you said, 200 more points?
The NASDAQ?
Yeah.
Well, let me put up my handy dandy notebook. Give me 1 second. No way. No. The NASDAQ could sell off. Let's see. Hold on. Let me put my calculator out, bro. I want to give you an exact number. Hold on. There's too many big numbers. Hold up. 19. One second, guys. The NASDAQ could sell off 696 more points.
Oh my fucking gosh. I don't even know what that.
Get ready. Hey, bro. Hey, everybody getting Maybach trucks. Let's go.
You said big bag truck?
Boy, it's about to be a high fall, huh?
Yeah, it's definitely coming to 46. I don't know how what's NASDAQ at right now? Let's get that.
NASDAQ is at 191.74.
Oh yeah, this is totally different. Yeah.
So
I don't know what this this means on the NASDAQ.
all right, look, Winston. All right. Let's put it. Can you pull up the NASDAQ?
Oh, hold on. I can.
All right. Can you pull up is this the daily?
This is, hold on, a problem. That's what it is. Oh, look at that. Crack this one. Look at that. Stop. Oh, hold
On the
on.
block. Yeah. Come on. Let's do it. Let's pull up the daily, dog. The daily gonna give you a clear picture.
But hold on, definitely. Here. We go there. You said pull up the daily?
Pull up the daily, my boy.
How many days? A year?
That's fine. You don't need to go back that far, but that's for for all intents and purposes, let's do it like that. All right. You see that low? You see that low that is just chilling out there?
Right here.
That's the target, baby.
$900, boy.
It's on the on the futures contract, it's the numbers are different.
What they got on there?
Same rules apply. So on the futures, the low is I got that low at 18. What's the low on yours?
18,217.
This one is 18,490.
Okay.
That's why I said 600. So yeah, bro. So but if you look at
But
the
it's still
NASDAQ,
the same candle, huh? Let's
yeah,
not
but
get caught off.
if you look at the NASDAQ, look how clean this is. So all the NASDAQ got to do is trade into this gap. That's all it's gonna do is trade into that gap and disappear into the abyss. Oh, because I charted the NASDAQ too last night too. I'm prepared. I'm
I like
prepared
it
for
in this
I'm
little order
prepared.
block right here.
I'm prepared, dog. That bit's gonna drop. But look, when you
And it
post
got
the
a reason to
Zoom,
turn around. It hit that. Yeah.
when you post the Zoom, delete this part, dog. Because if I'm wrong, I don't want nobody. But nobody don't watch our videos anyway.
We don't watch our video. This ain't watching our video until we pull up with that
Niggas don't like to be wrong, boy.
DR1 here. All right. Y'all good? Y'all got any other stocks y'all wanted to look at?
That's crazy how, dog. But you know what's crazy though, Winston? As soon as
Oh.
I say Maybach truck, everybody has something to see. Now nobody don't want to talk. Boy, I tell you, colors. These colors.
I want to talk. I want to talk.
What you got, bro?
I'm just
Put Planet back up there, Winston.
All right.
Man, that dude now stupid. Dog.
y'all just said y'all didn't want to talk. I said I want to talk now.
All right. Yeah, just y'all paying attention to this little corner. You can see the difference between some of
difference,
the
dog.
stocks. Yeah.
Yeah. She said Planeteer.
Mm-hmm.
Shit.
You in that Ben?
No, I ain't in it.
Still like Palantir. I want to see what it do with these next 2 days. See if we get above that 28. If we get back above this 28. Pull liquidity,
Let,
then take this external. See this, Ben?
mm-hmm.
Man,
Win that gap,
let's see,
filled it,
bro.
retraced. Now we need to get that out here.
Got a 10 probably gonna go to what 45? What was the high?
Hold on, I'm sorry.
It's probably going that way.
Yeah, 34. Yeah, you got that. Came tested it. It just got to get back above this shit.
Yeah, that's what it's been struggling to do.
Went from there. Ongi, yeah, 45. Mm-hmm.
What about Centaz, dog?
That what you want to work for?
No, I don't wear that, but they do
Uniform
provide
people.
our clothing. Yeah.
Oh, what the fuck?
Yeah, bro. Fucking Centaz, bro.
Mike, what
These bitches are dividend king too.
where was your antennas?
When
Man, look
these
at
niggas
this
was
shit.
robbing me.
Oh, it's blue.
That's
They
a
do make
beautiful
pants
stock
for
there, bro.
everybody, boy.
That's
That's
And
they
and
do
they,
more
crazy,
than
and they
fucking
bro.
clean and
hold up.
don't they clean the rugs and stuff too?
Yeah, I'm about to
Yep,
say they do the
yep,
mats, they do the shirts.
yep.
Them bitches do more than just the fucking the uniforms, bro.
They
And they
need to
with
get.
everybody.
They are the
All your
Tyler.
listen,
I'm gonna tell you this. They the Tyler
all your
Perry of
government,
uniforms, Jeremy.
yeah, all your
They need to
government,
get some better pants, but goddamn.
yeah, all your local and state government, like maintenance and facility type job, Centad provide fucking uniform for all of them, bro.
Him and fucking AutoZone. Would you look at it? We looking in all the wrong
Mm-hmm.
places. God damn.
Ooh, wee.
If I would have bought
That's
this in
two of the
'07,
most that's two of the most beautifulest charts you've never seen.
And he's
if I'd have bought this in '07 as soon as I got out of high school,
You wouldn't even be on this Zoom.
Oh, 7.
You'll
Graduated
be
in
like
05.
you'll be like Jada
'07 is when we
Trader.
got our life together. Everything at the Southeastern, that's when I got my life together.
Say, Mike, that
what's
dude
up, bro?
dropped the charges on you, cuz?
Said, bro, look, we still in litigation, bro. We still in
Real
litigation.
shit?
No. Nah, bro. Nah, he ain't never do it. I just stopped.
All right.
I had to stop messing with that, bro. Don't open up no old wound, man.
My bad. I'm about to tell you I know that boy live, but that's all right. What's the next stock, Winston?
Hey, look,
Oh,
holler at me when we get off the
I,
Zoom, bro. I don't want to be incriminated, bro.
I just went to the AutoZone.
Damn.
Nah, we just doing shit now, bro. But y'all know that's if y'all ain't got nothing to really look at, I was just going through some of them joints.
Hey,
Now,
bro.
I know everybody gonna go back and look at that Centaz again.
Hey,
That shit unbelievable.
say, bro, Lord Jesus Christ,
They did a split, bro.
we needed to split.
Yeah, they did a split. They ain't gonna never trade the same. They ain't gonna trade the same, though.
They come and check balances down here. They're
Yeah,
like 40.
Uh-huh. I'll
Cop,
tell you what. It'll be smart for you to buy shares. I ain't gonna hold you. It'll be smart to buy shares of Chipotle. Cause the white and them love that. No, I ain't talking about D-boy. I'm talking about the white people.
Mm-hmm.
They love that. Buy you some shares, bro. Put it in your summer account.
all right. I think that's it, bro.
You got a PP? All right, come on.
So that's
That's it, y'all.
anything else? Any other stocks y'all want?
That's it, dog. Come on, man.
All right. All right,
Make sure
fellas.
you PP in
I'm
the
gonna
morning.
post this immediately.
immediately.
When we go to the Maybach truck.
See,
Alright,
dog,
for
hey,
sure.
bro, look. So that I'm gonna tell you the truth. Now it's 200K. It's 200K a truck. So 2 times 5.
We starting the challenge Monday now.
I'm gone. See y'all.
Listen,
Oh,
no,
now,
listen, Mike, don't go
now,
nowhere. Listen,
don't get it unless you buying the cash, bro. You don't want no note on that.
listen.
Fuck no.
We starting the Maybach challenge tomorrow.
All right, I'm
Right.
gone. All right, bro.
I'm
It's
gone,
Sunday,
Wait,
bro.
hold
dog.
on.
No,
Enjoy
bro.
y'all
$100.
Sunday, bro.
Our first place. Wait, where y'all going?
Come on, Lou.
100,
Come on, Lou. Come on, Lou. What you
Yeah,
got?
100. You heard me?
100 to 1,000.
For the
Yeah, bro, you know this
That's
being
the
recorded,
first
bro.
place.
This is being recorded. Man, I'm gone.
Yeah, get out here.
All right, dog.